Hi everybody!
Hi!
Welcome to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
We hope you're having a great afternoon or morning or evening or whatever time it is when this posts, because we are international, you know. So we have another great one for you today.
So today we're going to reveal some of the secrets that we have been employing in our past vlogs. Now, if you've been following FilAmstagram, you probably have come across some scenes that you know couldn't have happened in real life. Those were shot in green screen.
So come on in as we let you in on our green screen secrets.
For most green screen footages, the process is straightforward. Just shoot in front of a green screen. You leave the green screen background with an app that has a Chroma Key function. Put the new background under the green screen layer. Wait a minute, it can't be that simple, can it? Well, sometimes you have to be a little bit more creative, like Miriam's footage at the Eiffel Tower. For this climbing scene, we spread the green screen on the floor and filmed Miriam crawling on top of it. The helicopter was a Shutterstock footage placed on top of the other two layers and edited for Chroma Key. But what about the surfing scene?
Setting up the surf scene with the green screen.
Paul is actually wearing the green screen, so he'll be invisible for this shot.
Whoa!
It's kind of tricks of the trade.
I'm gonna do a Houdini now. Lock me up. Okay. So
This works.
here. Can you see me?
I guess we could have shot everything in front of the big green screen, but we wanted to make it extra realistic with actual water splashes, so we shot the scene in our kiddie pool. So Miriam was really trying to balance herself like on a real surfboard. For this effect, I customized the motion path following the direction of the wave. Some scenes take a little more planning to set up, just like our fourth episode, The Battle versus COVID-19. What is that?
What in the world is that?
For this scene, we had to change the background behind the door. But because it was broad daylight, we had to put a thick curtain behind the green screen first to black out the sun. Then we put the green screen up, and it's ready!
What in the world is that?
In this scene, we key out the green screen from the outside of the door. On the bottom of the timeline, we put a new landscape layer. In between the background and foreground layers, we put the green screen footage of coronavirus, which we key out with Chroma Key. And this is the result. So how about the tank scene? Was it any different setting it up? Miriam was sitting between a green screen background and a lower green screen foreground, the height of the tank. On the bottom layer of the timeline, we put a road background. The second layer had a virus on green screen. The third layer had Miriam on green screen. And the top layer had the tank on green screen. When we key in all the green screen layers, this is the final result.
Well, thank you for dropping by. We enjoyed having you here, and we hope you enjoyed our little tutorial. And hoping you'll try it soon too in your own homes.
And remember,
Don't forget to subscribe! Sending love from the Philippines.